Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I will guide you through how to restore your locked Facebook Marketplace. To do so, first of all, launch your Facebook application and make sure that you have logged into it. From there, hit on the menu icon which is on the bottom right corner of your screen and scroll down until you find out Setting and Privacy. Then hit on the settings. Now, from there, what you can do is find out report a problem. If you can't find out here, go back to the settings and there you will see help and support. Simply hit on that and select report a problem. Now, simply go at the last and hit on the continue to report and select include. From here, do not forget to choose marketplace and here briefly describe about your issue that you want to restore your locked Facebook Marketplace. And send it to the Facebook. Facebook team will help you out within the 24 hours. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then please do not forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.